Hello, Dan. All right, here is your carburetor sitting on my CJ5, which I just affectionately call the 5. We look down inside, you can see it's nice and dry. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Okay, since I did not have the same linkage that you do, this is just sitting here humming along. No drips, no runs, no errors. Let's look at some numbers. Plug this back in. Okay. Idle RPM, right at about 700. Well, I guess I need to work on those points a little bit. Yeah, okay. Well, it's still running. All right. There's your vacuum reading, about 19. Good. And fuel pressure is a little over 4. Let's go ahead and pull it through a couple times. Meter and rod is set correctly. All right, sir. I think you're going to like it. Yeah.